Hi, my name is Riddhi Dogra,
And I'm Monica Dogra.
and you're watching us on.
Teli Chakka.
Eventually, at the end of the day, you want कि set पे आप किसी ऐसे इंसान के साथ काम करें जिनके साथ आप uncomfortable ना हो, and you can pass through those 12-16 hours in our case with ease.
Well, हमेशा सुना होगा a happily ever after. Well, nobody knows कि happily ever after के बाद होता क्या है. लेकिन आज की हमारी जो खास कलाकार है हमारे साथ बैठी हैं, the two beautiful ladies, they will practically tell us the reality of happily ever after because married women बहुत जल्दी आप लोगों की screens पे आने वाला है. Guys, firstly, welcome to Teddy Chakkar.
Thank you.
What do you have to say about the happily ever after the married woman के बारे में?
मैं यही सोचती हूँ कि happily ever after एक truthful चीज़ नहीं है. Like एक दिन happy होता है, एक दिन what is it?
Unhappy होता है.
Unhappy होता है. Thank you. ऐसे ही है जिंदगी. Peaks and troughs, you know, ups and downs. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक formula है जिसमें आप happiness खींच सकते हैं. You know what I mean? So The Married Woman is one of those stories where you see that, you know, kabhi khush kabhi gum, and in that process of following your heart, you end up in really unexpected places doing things you never thought you would do because you love someone that much.
What about you, Riddhi? What do you have to say about the happily ever after?
Yeah, I do feel that, you know, हम जब कहानियाँ सुनाते हैं या you know जो कहानियाँ हमने बचपन से देखी हैं वो हमने ऐसी ही देखी है ना कि the end and they lived happily ever after, but happily ever after के बाद क्या होता है वो हमें नहीं पता. You know, we all know Cinderella meets the prince, but then what happens? Does she have to go back to doing the work that she was doing earlier? So this story definitely talks about that कि happily ever after के बाद क्या, you know, वही लोग जो शायद अपने रिश्ते से खुश थे क्या वो अभी भी खुश हैं, you know, क्या उनकी लाइफ में अभी भी वही you know हैप्पीनेस एंड पॉजिटिविटी एंड एक्साइटमेंट है जो तब थी जब उन्होंने डिसाइड किया था कि हम साथ में रहेंगे. एंड दिस and not just for Astha's character, it is true for even your character. You know, Peeplika, Astha, or Hemant, Ajaz, सबकी, you know, you're getting a sneak peek into a ordinary Indian family and ordinary Indian people, and like all of us, like मैं promote भी कर रही हूँ whatever I'm posting and I'm writing, I have no other words but कि हम सबकी कहानी है because like she said, you know, ज़िंदगी में एक दिन खुश होता है, अगले दिन you know आप you're down in the dumps, और तीसरे दिन इतने excited होते हो. That's life, you know, life is like that. So the show is exactly like that.
well, आपने एक बहुत सही लाइन बोली, दी ऑर्डिनरी इंडियन वुमन की कहानी, एक सोसाइटी की कहानी. तो अगर मैं उस नाते बोलूँ, हमारी सोसाइटी में एक बहुत ही बेसिक चीज़ है, पति पत्नी में लड़ाई हो जाती है तो बेटा सॉल्व कर लो, बच्चा कर लो, थिंग्स विल गेट रिजॉल्व. बट यहाँ पे द शो इज एक्चुअली ब्रेकिंग ऑल द नॉर्म्स, द सेट नॉर्म्स, एंड यू नो you've come out with such a different context out here and you're showing a very different portrayal of characters, of stories. Fans ने जब वो देखा, was there like a positive response or was there like a mixed response, or what is it like?
In my communities, the response has been really good. Like पहले से सब लोगों ने कहा कि अगर ये कहानी एक वुमन और एक और दूसरा वुमन के बीच में है, are you being sensitive? Is it one of those like Saas Bahu series? What's the tone of the show? That was the thought. और ट्रेलर देखने के बाद सब लोग ने कहा कि ये लगता है कि ये शो बहुत सेंसिटिव है, और उसके ऊपर ये है कि like the shots, just the cinematography is really beautiful. जब आप बोलते हैं ना कि आस्था की कैरेक्टर एक ordinary Indian woman है, I'd like to say आप देख सकते हैं उसमें कि वो ordinary बिल्कुल नहीं है, और एक ordinary Indian woman इतना ordinary नहीं है, बहुत complexities है उसके अंदर. Just because she runs a house or she's a wife or whatever that might be, doesn't mean she doesn't have layers, you know. And similarly, I think what's interesting about Peeplika is that जब आप सोचते हैं कि ना ये औरत,
ऐसी औरतें हमारी सोसाइटी बर्बाद
कर देती है, you know, once you get to know Peeplika, you think, you know what, ये एक लड़की है जो प्यार चाहती है बस, like माँ की प्यार, like Astha's प्यार, society's love, and like she just keeps hitting walls, you know, and she's actually more simple.
Yeah.
And Asta's more complex.
Yep.
You know.
Just few days and we'll get to see the whole series now. So आपको कैसा response मिला? Has it been like a mixed thing or what is it like?
Everybody has given really positive response. कुछ लोगों ने कुछ feedback के लिए episodes भी देखे हैं. हमें भी episodes मिले थे देखने के लिए कि आप देखिए और बताइए whatever if you have any suggestions or feedbacks to make it better. So response has been very good. Promo के लिए भी उठ के लोग सामने से compliment दे रहे हैं, which is not needed. Nobody needs to do that, but everybody has been coming up to me and sharing कि उनको कितना अच्छा लग रहा है promo, and they're really waiting for the show to come out, which is really really promising. And audience will watch it on 8th of March and वो ही decide करेंगे उनको कैसा लग रहा है, because they're the real ones to give the judgment. But response has been really very very promising and very positive. So
The other thing that I want to know here is that playing a normal character is pretty easy. You go there, you see the script, and then you put your X effort and then you play those characters. But playing your characters, because you are breaking the norms, were you a little too conscious when you said yes for it, when you guys were briefed कि ऐसा होने वाला है, आपका character will fall in love with Astha's character, and you'll have such intimate scenes, or maybe you'll have such dialogues ahead, or this is how the chemistry is going to flow out between the two of you? Were you guys a little uneasy, or were you very sure about, no, this is something that I really want to take up?
I was honored. I mean, I got the book, I read the synopsis. और दूसरी बात, I don't really think of like same sex, what you will have this with. I don't care. I should be able to perform. मुझे opportunity चाहिए to do good work, and that's the kind of actor and that's the kind of work I want to do. So नहीं, I don't put myself in any sort of boxes कि oh God ये करना है. अगर वैसे सोचूंगी तो मैं एक्टर नहीं बन सकती. I just have one thing which is true for anything, whether I'm kissing a man or I'm kissing a woman or I'm wearing a bikini or I'm wearing a sari. I just have one thing, that the story should flow into that, like there should be a need and reason to do what we are doing, and things should be handled with sensitivity. That's it. That's उसके बावजूद और मुझे कोई stress नहीं है, because I think also one has seen so much work by now. I've seen so much cinema and so much, so I'm very, you understand how these, if you do it well, like if my team says yes, in the case of Married Woman, the team said no, we are sensitive to it, and हम खुद नहीं चाहते, because we want to make this show in a way कि people, there's no shock value that we are expecting and we want out of this. So then कि how naturally you can do this. I've seen it so much now. I'm a student of cinema, so मैं इतना सिनेमा देख चुकी हूँ कि it's not, these things don't really matter, because this is representing human behavior. आप human emotions represent कर रहे हैं. I'm not playing a lion or a or a flower, that it's how will I do this, how am I going to do this, it's I'm playing a human being, so
Yes.
it's not so much of a problem.
So what was your instinct when you were all briefed about it, and then you knew that what kind of roles you have to play? Were you comfortable with Riddhi, and Riddhi, were you comfortable? Because obviously I'm sure that you guys were.
I was very comfortable when I heard Monica is going to be on. I was like, yes! I was like, she is Peeplika. Like थोड़े ही दिनों में मुझे मोनिका का नाम सुनने में आया, and I was like, please, I hope they take her, I hope she does it, I hope it happens, because I was like, she is Peeplika. Like whatever I had understood of Astha and Peeplika, I don't know her at all. It's not like मैं पहले से जानती थी and I knew she'll do it very well, but I observe people. So whatever I had observed of her, obviously from far, I knew that she's got a Peeplika inside her, or she'll understand a Peeplika even if she's not like her. But I knew that at that time. तो मैं बहुत, और हम मिल चुके थे पहले, हमने एक चैट शो पे हम मिले थे, तो मैंने इनसे बात भी की थी, and मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त इनके दोस्त हैं. We have a lot of common friends, so I know of her, I know about her, and eventually at the end of the day you want कि set पे आप किसी ऐसे इंसान के साथ काम करें जिनके साथ आप uncomfortable ना हो, and you can pass through those 12-16 hours in our case with ease. And I knew that with Monica it will be easy. Like I still feel that with her, the ease that I had, we didn't even bother to break the ice.
The ice was broken. Yeah.
It's just broken.
Yeah. Like मेरा instinct यही था कि मैं ये रोल करना चाहती हूँ और ये कहानी बोलना चाहती हूँ, लेकिन मेरा एक्सपीरियंस के वजह से मैंने जब आप एक्टिंग करते हो ना, एक्टिंग करने के बाद you have no control. Edit में क्या होगा, release में क्या होगा, audience how will they respond, how will India respond.
Right.
So in that way, I'm now feeling very excited. मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि audience is ready है. सब लोग पूछते हैं कि audience is ready है कि नहीं इस कहानी के लिए, ये बहुत अजीब कहानी है, whatever. ये अजीब नहीं है, प्यार प्यार होता है. Love is love for everyone. And I think it's high time that we start telling stories that create a variety of experience, a variety in our lives, you know. And if we have permission, I think we'll start to have a much more dynamic and safe nation, you know. And that's what I really want. If you were asking where the confusion comes from, the instinct is yes, yes, yes. And then not the confusion, but the apprehension begins now. And we're just, you know, holding each other and praying that everyone responds well.
And how is it when you got to know you'll be working with me?
I met Riddhi on a show I was hosting, and उसी time मुझे लगा कि ये औरत, she's smart, she's really strong minded, and वो ऐसे ही नहीं है कि वो हा कहते हैं, you know what I mean, वो fake बिल्कुल नहीं है. एंड इस कहानी के लिए एक एक्टर ये बहुत ऐसे ही एक्टर ज़रूरी है जिसमें सच ऐसा कोई प्ले नहीं है, सच उसके अंदर है, उसके खून में है, you know what I mean? And Riddhi's like that, so I was really excited.
Wow. I'm proud of your Hindi.
Thanks.
एक बुक की अडेप्टेशन जब एक सीरीज या मूवी या किसी में बनती है ना, थोड़ी सी एक्सपेक्टेशन जो बुक रीडर्स होते हैं उनकी बढ़ जाती है, बिकॉज यू नो दे हैव रेड द बुक एंड दे हैव रेड ऑल दीज, बिकॉज बुक में बहुत डिटेल में चीज़ें लिखी होती हैं, इट्स क्वाइट नाइसली पुट देयर. बट देन वेब सीरीज हो या मूवी हो, थोड़ी सी अडेप्टेशन चेंज हो जाती है डिपेंडिंग ऑन द सीन्स. सो क्या लगता है जब हमारी बुक रीडर्स आपकी ये सीरीज देखेंगे, विल दे बी सैटिस्फाइड और विल दे बी लाइक कि नहीं थोड़ा और अच्छा होता है, या वो कहेंगे नहीं यार दिस इज परफेक्ट व्हाट दे हैव पोर्ट्रेड आउट देयर?
ये शो एक adaptation है, you know, but I think they'll be satisfied.
Yeah, they will be if they don't constantly compare it to the book.
Yeah.
Because कहीं जगहों पे एलिवेट भी किया है हमने. बुक में you know एक बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर है, एक बेसिक premise है, एक बेसिक you know स्टोरी है. We've taken that and we have elevated it. At least the attempt is that you know it's been that एक इमोशन, एक चैप्टर या आप कहें you know whatever was happening in the book, हमने बहुत कोशिश की है कि उसको underline करें, उसको we go to the soul of that particular sequence or whatever, and maybe at some points they may feel like it's different from the book, or it's elevated, or this was not so much in the book. So yes, it's an adaptation, it's based on the book, it's not exactly like the book.
Well, thank you so much, ladies. It was a pleasure having you. Any parting words for the fans who are gonna love watching your series and you know gonna see you as Peeplika and Astha out there?
I'd like to say to all the fans, thank you so much for your support. This show really comes from the heart, and we hope you like it, and we're so excited to interact with you also. So share the show, watch it with all your friends, and we love you.
Yeah, I just want to say thank you to Telly Chakkar. I know a lot of people who've loved me in all my you know in so many years of my career have you know been subscribing to Telly Chakkar for years. So firstly, thank you so much for giving me the love and the encouragement for me to be able to stay on and not give up on the kind of work I wanted to do. And secondly, you know ye show, I'm very proud of this show. I feel very honored to have got this opportunity, and I really hope that you all like what you see and watch it with your family. It's a family show. It's a show you can watch with your friends. It's entertaining, it's light, breezy, and I've been saying this a lot, it's like a warm breeze, a warm hug, and you know a soft breeze of a show. So give it your love, give it a shot.
Well, thank you so much, ladies. Well, that was Monica Dogra and Riddhi Dogra with me, and this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off for now with camera person Amit Singh.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechuckers YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.